is Unomas again signing in YouTube. This is the title of my tutorial. I want to do this fast and easy. Unomas tutorial R4 box. Okay? Unomas tutorial R4 box 100% working with actual video and BC for all who have doubt. Okay? For all of you who's doubting my tutorial that it's not working, okay? For all of you who has a double thinking if it's not working, okay? Watch very carefully my YouTube video. Don't blink. Okay? Watch very carefully, okay? For those who don't believe, because my first and second tutorial, I don't actually make my YouTube viewers see if it is working when I step in the BC, okay? So I will make this another tutorial, okay? And see, watch very carefully. Active. Voice dominance is domination enable, okay? As you can see, voice domination enable here. Someone stepping in the BC. Now I will step in, okay? Watch. There it goes. 0:32. Okay? There it goes. 0:32. I'm just telling you now, guys, that today is November 5. Oh, November 15. November 15, 2011, okay? Today is November 15, 2011 at 11:21 p.m. here in the Philippines. I'm just telling you guys that R4 box is working 100%, okay? I made this actual YouTube video because someone PM me and text me in my forum, in my YouTube forum, in my YouTube tutorial, and said this is not working, that R4 is patched, R4 is not working anymore, R4 box is not working anymore, and someone's doing some talk shit to me and say my tutorial is bogus, my tutorial is my R4 tutorial is nothing, and they didn't see the voice working, and so I made this tutorial, okay? So for you who have doubt, for you who have double thinking, and for you who do not believe in my R4 box tutorial, okay, watch very carefully. Don't blink your eyes and open it wide so you can see. As you can see, as I'm talking here, there goes the voice bar and it's moving. As you can see, it's 2:31, okay? As you can see, voice domination is enabled. As you can see, someone is talking using the BC. So my R4 box plus domination is working 100%. As you can see, I do grab the BC, okay? Unomas have grabbed the BC. So for you who have doubt that R4 box is not working, well, R4 box is working 100%. This is my fourth tutorial, so please don't talk shit in my forum, okay? Don't talk shit in my YouTube video, because this Unomas don't do shit, and Unomas always do his works 100%, okay? But my YouTube video always do, I do it in my 100% work, and as you can see, I do grab the BC very easily. R4 box plus domination cracked by FLC is working 100%, okay? This is my fourth time saying to you, so don't talk shit in my YouTube video, and now you see, okay? Don't talk shit in my YouTube video. This is a YouTube video, sorry guys, in MMB9. This is Unomas, so signing out in YouTube. So I'm just telling you guys that R4 box cracked by FLC is working 100%. As you can see, I do grab the BC very easily. So many, I don't iggy a guy in the BC. As you can see, no ignoring my list. There's no ignore in my list, okay? So many BC users in MMB9 is using the BC, okay? A 4 character ID, so on and so forth. So this is Unomas. So those persons who talk shit in me, that said that my YouTube video tutorial is a bogus and they don't see any enable BC. So this is for you all of guys who do talk shit in my YouTube video. R4 box plus domination is working 100%. Today is November 15. It's about 11:24 a.m. here in the Philippines. So guys, if you do want to know how to make your R4 box do have a BC, please do subscribe in my YouTube video, and I'll tell you how to do it. Actually, there's 2 steps, okay? 2 steps lang. 2 steps and you will have a BC in R4 box domination, okay? R4 box domination